Hi guys! So today's lesson is about understanding how to use the COD pronouns. You already know that we use pronoun because we want to avoid repeating words in a sentence. Example, Jacques, tu connais Cindy? Oui, je connais Cindy. Here, the word that is being repeated is Cindy. And you want to remove Cindy and use a pronoun instead. The first thing you need to do is analyze and find the DNA of the word Cindy. And for doing this, you need to find the question word that you're going to use. In this case, your question word is going to be qui, because you say je connais qui, je connais Cindy. Therefore, Cindy is your COD. Once you know that Cindy is your COD, then you're going to use a COD pronoun. And in this case, it is la. La because Cindy is a feminine word and it's a singular word. There's only one Cindy. And this is how you're going to use it. Jacques, tu connais Cindy? Oui, je la connais. Observe the position of your pronoun la, and you will see that la is placed before your verb, which is different in English. In English, you say I know her, but in French is I, her, know. So here's your list of COD pronouns. You have la for feminine singular, le masculine singular, L' if your verbs starts with a vowel, and les for plural. And then you have me or M', te or T', nous et vous. These are the list of your COD pronouns. Remember, the structure of a sentence looks like this. You have your sujet, je, your verb, connais, and your complément, Paul. Je connais Paul. There's no pronoun in this sentence. Je le connais. And this one has a pronoun. Your pronoun goes before your verb, and notice that the blue box disappears because Paul is being replaced by the pronoun le. Let's look at another sentence. J'ai fini les devoirs. This sentence is using the passé composé. Je les ai finis. If you want to use a pronoun, les devoirs is being replaced by les, and you position it before the verb. Points to remember. A pronoun is used to avoid a repetition. The COD pronouns replace a complément d'objet direct, a complement of direct object. You find your COD by asking the questions quoi or qu'est-ce que or qui. And you place the pronoun before the verb. That's it.